The ice candle. Shall we dispel the legend? There is a legend that an ice candle can burn longer than a normal candle. Today we're going to find out. Thread drains excess water. If you want to check out another legend, post in the comments. I'll be sure to check it out. Let's take a little pause. We need to correct the threads because the water has put out the candle. The difference in burning time is only 5 minutes. Apparently a nice candle burns just as long as a regular candle. Support the channel with a like, and in the next video I will show you how to make such a candle burn 100 times longer.